What's up, y'all? Even though they hate when I say that. What's up, guys? It's Mariah. I wish I could put Laura on camera, but she doesn't want to be on camera.
Not today.
But today, we're gonna be doing a house Christmas tour, and Laura will narrate without her being on camera.
Hey, everybody.
So, yeah, exactly. So this will be quite entertaining for you guys. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Oh, you gotta subscribe. I can't remember the name.
My channel name?
Yeah.
Mariah's Whole New World.
Mariah's Whole New World. That's it.
Subscribe, like this video.
Yeah.
If you enjoy it,
Yeah.
hit that bell notification. Tell us what you think by doing what?
Make a comment.
She's a natural, guys. So behind me you see our tree, but we're gonna be doing close-up stuff. Woo! She's gonna tell us where some of this stuff is from. Yeah. Stay tuned. Okay. Laura is gonna start and tell us about the front door, guys. This is our front door. There's a wreath right here. Yes. And you can kind of see the outside decorations on the pillars. Who did that? Did you do that?
No, your dad did that.
Oh, okay. So Dad did this. All right. But here we have
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus and Rudolph is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love him. And then, where'd you get this mat from?
No, I can't remember. It was a long time ago.
Oh, but it's Santa and reindeer. So cute. Okay, and then following over here, we have
Our Christmas tree.
Yes. These lights I feel like are new. Are they?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, they're not new. But here's some of the ornaments. Here is one of my favorites.
Yay.
We got this from Disney Springs, I think.
Yeah,
You picked that out.
Yeah, a couple
Yeah.
years ago.
A couple years ago. It's Carolina blue. Partly why I like it. But that one's a favorite. Which one's your favorite ornament?
Ooh, I don't know. That'd be really hard to pick a favorite. I like so many of them.
Ooh. Classic.
It's for Julie.
It's for Julie. So funny. Comment below if you know what that's from. I hope y'all know. I hope you know.
You better know. I love the Mickey and Minnie.
Here's another. Of course, you know we gotta have the Disney ornaments, guys. Where'd you get them from? Or is this?
I think it was a gift.
Okay.
I think it was a gift.
Cute. Love that. A lot of different awesome ornaments.
And there's a princess.
Ah, there's Tiana. I didn't even know we had her. I think she's a Hallmark ornament.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, quite a few Hallmark Disney ornaments actually. And the angel, I don't even know.
You guys have had that.
Yeah, we've had that for a while.
Long time.
Goodness gracious. So,
You've
yeah,
got the little
so
angel
many.
collection.
Yep.
That one's my favorite one.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Purple.
Purple's my favorite color. Love it. And of course, let's see. Oh, I was about to say, and the churches. I love. These were my mom's collection. She collected them every year. So, yeah. Those are nice. Those are Hallmark ornaments too.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Ode to our football teams.
Oh Lord. Okay, yeah. So
We're a house divided.
well, yes, I was gonna say they are, but I mean we kind of are in a way. But so Laura's team is Buffalo because she's from there, and then Dad's team is Miami Dolphins, and so they have these ornaments here. with their favorite team. And they actually played today as I'm filming this, each other. They played each other. And Miami won. Meh.
They're losing, they have to go to Buffalo.
All right, well, mark her words, guys. And
That's
this,
my favorite church one down there.
oh yes, I do.
my favorite church.
I do love this church one. It's really nice. There's so many great ornaments in the. I think these are like the Three Kings collection. Yeah. So nice. Okay, so now y'all did this whole little thing right here, going up the stairs. Nice, cute, festive. Yes, with the multicolored lights. I like it. Okay, and then in the dining room we have, what is this?
Our little village. We've got our train track set up going through the village. We don't have it lit right now, but all the houses light up.
All the houses light
Christmas
up.
tree in the middle lights up.
Yes.
And the train goes around.
Look at the train. This is the train. And there's a little reindeer here and Santa. These things are nice. Yes. So cute. The little houses. You said they light up.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, see the cords in them. Just have to plug them in. But at night, it's really, really pretty. So there's that. Very nice. I don't want to trip on the cords. That wouldn't be good on camera. This little guy on the door.
Santa knows when you're coming.
Yeah. All right. There we are with that. And then some of the most awesome. So y'all, this is from Rudolph the movie. Oh my gosh! And they have the abominable snow.
You gotta look real close, cause look at the little toys.
Oh yes, and the misfit toys. Y'all, Rudolph. I think Rudolph is probably my favorite classic Christmas film. And yeah, so awesome, guys. Look at that. So the details, and then of course, even though he's a little, he keeps falling down, but look at that. Hopefully I can get him to stay. Okay, cool. Yes. So there's that, and of course, the star of the show. Yeah, that's definitely like my favorite decoration. Where is this little tree? This little guy?
This was a Christmas gift. It's a little music box, actually.
Ooh, pretty.
What
What kind of, yeah, what's it play?
Needs a little more.
Huh. Deck the halls.
That's the halls, yeah.
I was like, what song? That's pretty. Cute. It's nice.
You gotta turn it a lot.
Yeah, to keep it going. All right.
It's our little gingerbread house, and the gingerbread's actually light up, but the batteries are out. I don't have new ones for that yet.
Real life.
Cute.
It's a cute decoration. Oh my gosh. Love it. And then, of course, you gotta have, you know,
Who doesn't love a snow globe?
snow globe. Oh. Yeah, you gotta shake them up. Oh, he plays too?
Yeah.
What in the world? What in the world? That's cute. You better not cry. I like that.
They're cute.
That's another good one. And then even though this one is kind of broken, this is Laura's, of course, because it's supposed to say Buffalo on it. And then North Pole, so it's Buffalo Bills, yeah. So that's cute. Love it. Ah. Okay, this is definitely probably. Oh, we have like a lot going on. Y'all did a lot with it, with these little things on the door. First of all,
Our little keys.
yes, little things on the door and a little jingle bell wreath the door. And then snowman
from Buffalo.
Snowman. I can't. And then this little guy too. He's hanging out. And is this something down here? Oh yeah, these are like little
pine
cones. And then
The
manger,
the
nativity
whole point of
scene.
the season.
The whole point, meaning behind the season. Yes. So awesome. Got the 3 kings. Of course, the star of the show. And Joseph and Mary and the little animals. Yes. Nice.
And the shepherd boy.
And the shepherd boy, guys. And this cute little guy right here. You said you put new lights on this one.
Yeah.
Had him for a little while. But he's nice.
Yeah.
He's a nice one. And then says Laura.
Oh, these are. You did get photos.
Oh yeah.
Another little gingerbread house.
Little gingerbread.
It's actually a little candle holder.
Oh. I like look at the little gingerbread men around here. So cute. And candy canes. And then little peppermints. And then it's awesome. So cute. Laura's lighting. You can see your little cozy. Shine a night. She's gonna make it light up, guys.
Did it go out? I think it went out.
Oh, it went out. Oh.
It's still lit. It's just little.
It's a little dim, but you can kind of see the little candle in there. So that's awesome. Got another little basket of pine cones. And then we have, is that gingerbread man? Yes, gingerbread man and a reindeer. Oh, well, that's Rudolph actually, because he has a red nose. With a little wreath. Love that. That's cute. And then more candles with more snowmen and more pine cones. And then this is actually a little boot. So, a little Santa Claus boot with a little bow on the side. Pretty with poinsettias. And this one is pretty too. Another music box, and it has Santa and reindeer around a Christmas tree in the village. Yeah. What does this one play again? About to find out, guys. We are about to find out. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We got a variety of Christmas songs going on right now. Oh, yes, guys. And it goes around the tree. So cute. Yes, that's always a good one. Good song. Okay. And the mantle. With
Santa Claus comes down the chimney.
Whoa! Dad's over here. I can't show him. But yes, we have the what do you call it? Stocking holders. Or yeah, exactly. And a little angel back there. This is me, guys. Embarrassing when I was like, I don't even know how old I was in that. I had to have been like in,
I'll say Tyler looks
maybe
like
middle school.
Tyler
Maybe
looks
like
he's
6th grade.
4 or 5. So
Yeah.
he's probably about 11, I guess.
Yeah, maybe 5th grade in that. And then yeah, that's my brother. Y'all seen him in the vlogs. More angels, of course. And little Christmas bear.
He's our Christmas card holder when we get some.
Yes, we get tons of Christmas cards, so we'll put them up there. And there, of course, you know, stockings again. So, actually, yeah, Tyler made this one when he was younger. We've had these for a while. These are fairly newish. But yeah. Okay, guys, couldn't forget to show you the poinsettias because
flower.
Classic Christmas flower of the season. And then you guys will appreciate this over here. There's Mickey, the little Santa Claus hat. And here is Mickey again as like a farmer. And here is Minnie. She's just chilling out right here. They love their plants, guys. And look at this. It's a little holder. You can hold anything. You can put whatever you want in it. But yeah, it's Minnie and Mickey, you guys. They're dressed up for Christmas. On top of a package. But yeah, you can put anything in here. I don't even know if I want to. I don't even know how you open it. Might require 2 hands, and I don't have 2 hands right now. I think it is latch. But yeah, so cute. So cute. Yeah.
Gotta go, gotta go. Here in the bathroom, don't mind me. I'm here to keep you company.
Yeah, Laura thinks this is funny, guys. He's in here in the bathroom. I'm in here in our bathroom. He actually, she said, yes, I do. He does make me laugh. Yeah, he sings little songs while you're using the bathroom, so. And then, of course,
What you do?
oh, y'all, look at this little tissue holder. So cute. Yes. Of course, you can't forget the cookie holder. Laura? Yes, a little snowman. Whenever we bake cookies, we can put them on here. This is on our counter. But yeah, he is cute, for sure.
One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the